Welcome to Darsh Learning. Today we are going to discuss the poem of Class 12, An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. The writer of the poem is Stephen Spender. In this poem, the author describes the situation of the students of an elementary school. The school is located in a slum area. The poet wants everybody's attention to these children. Poet wanted that the life of these students improves. He wanted them to get trained in order to become good citizens of our country and not criminals. An elementary school classroom in a slum summary gives a brief knowledge about the condition of the school as well as the students. The appearance of the students shows that they are unwelcome and they have pale and lifeless faces. The kids are having depressed facial expressions. They have unhealthy bodies inherited from their parents and they have stunted growth. They keep their head down. At the end of the classroom, a kid is sitting having bright eyes that fill with dreams. He dreams of squirrels game in trees and of other interesting places other than his classroom. The classroom has dirty and muddy walls. Many people have given multiple charts and images for putting on the walls. A poster is there of Shakespeare. The second poster is of Tyrole's Valley. Further, another one is map. For these students, the world is not as they see in the picture. For these students, the world is in the scene that they see outside the classroom through the window. These children are stuck in the slums. They have dim and hopeless futures. They all have a dark and depressing future. Moreover, they have options in life that they are imperfect and are disappointing. They are distant from the light of knowledge. Understanding these pictures is out of their abilities. The children are so thin that their bones and skeleton are clearly visible through them. This is because of the lack of nourishment. The glasses that are made of steel and are cheap. The glasses they wear are quite heavy and uncomfortable at the same time. Their probabilities of accomplishing their dreams and wants and moving out of this poverty have been further reduced by building bigger towns. Until and unless they don't come out of the slums, they will never get to know about the world outside. Students need to see the outer world. Moreover, the maps on the walls of the class will surely become a reality for them. Should be taken to areas with fields and greenery. The sunny atmosphere and the warm sand of the beach will connect them with the hunger for knowledge. If these children will get to learn, then these children will become economically authorized. To conclude, an elementary school classroom in a slum summary tells us about the poor condition of the students. The school are very poor in condition. The future of these kids is in dark. The story also teaches us the value of education and the value of all the things that we have and many do not. Thank you for watching. For more videos, do subscribe our channel.